Join me inside Sound of Revival USA in New York. It was glorious. The tangible presence of the Holy Spirit went ahead of us. God was in a hurry to perform miracles, heal, and restore. The atmosphere was charged with power, prophecy, and expectation. The most special moment, serving God alongside my mom, my sister, and my son, 3 generations together. This wasn't just a conference, it was family, a reunion with Koinonia Global, wisdom from our consummate leader, Apostle Joshua Selman, and the elevating worship of Minister Nathaniel Bassey and David Dam. Heaven touched earth. And the greatest reward, the massive harvest of souls from darkness to light. New York, let your light shine brighter and brighter into the perfect day. Jesus revealed, Jesus glorified.